are leaving from our first day working the sugar beet harvest.
Soft start.
Yeah, soft start. Official season starts at midnight tonight. We've been here probably from about 6:30 until
2:45.
yeah. So today
We found out we're going to be learning a lot more than what we thought we were. They've already started teaching us multiple jobs, so that's going to be interesting.
yeah. So I got to go up in the cab today, work the controls. So that was interesting.
She actually ran the piling machine.
I ran the piling machine. Cool. Yeah. So that was neat, and we are learning how to run the boom.
Which piles the beets.
Which piles beets.
We move them from side to side.
Yeah.
So we had to start a pile today.
We're gonna start a pile. We did not have a pile at all at our site. So with the help of another worker who works the boom, then we were able to start a pile. So we'll see how far they get with the pile tonight, and we'll be back here tomorrow. And
we learned this afternoon that we will be the boom operators for our piler. So yeah, we kind of got slid right into that position. Plus we'll be both will be learning the piler. So when the piler operator wants out, they can yell, "Hey," and then we'll go relieve them. So by the time we get out of here, we will know beets from one end to the other, it sounds like.
maybe. But yeah, they're letting us out today due to weather. The temperatures are too high. It's about 65, maybe even 70 now. I'm not too sure. But yeah, so it's a good day.
Short day.
Yeah. All right. So that's it for today, I think. All right. Like, share, subscribe. Have fun.